Hey guys, I'm Amelia and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, not really much of an episode, but today's video we're gonna discuss a few products that really is the holy grail, and also some of the tools that I use to style my hair. This video has been requested by some of you, but most of you always ask me throughout my social media and just asking me through my DMs how I really maintain my hair, how I curl them, and how I keep them healthy, and most importantly, I think how to keep them gray as it is right now, like really ashy. And all of that is explained in this video. So without further ado, I hope you love this video. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. Click that subscribe button down below. Comment anything you want to say and probably what you would like to see next. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Okay, so let's get started. I just finished taking a shower. As you can see, my hair is still a bit damp, and I just did my makeup and now I can apply some goodies onto it. But before that, I'm going to introduce to you a few products that I use for my hair in the shower and out of the shower. So here goes. As you guys know, I go to Al Louis Salon every single time I need to touch up or even just to really make my hair much more better into a treatment. I always go to Al Louis Salon, and that's it, because I will never go to another salon to do my retouches or my color or my bleach, because I trust them that much. So most of the products here are recommended by their salon, and I live by it because I am completely in love with all of these products, and I can tell you a lot about them. So the first product that's on the list is the Dancoli Angel and Provence shampoo. So this shampoo is specific to really maintain your hair color and your hair shine, and it doesn't, saturate it into that yellow color you don't want it to be. And what I really love about the shampoo is that it's organic. So with it being organic, you know that it doesn't have all those harmful substances for your hair. You know that this shampoo won't rip your hair off its natural nutrients and oils that it needs. So I really love using this. It is perfect. Next is probably one of the most important steps of having silver hair or ashy hair, and that's to have a purple shampoo. So this one is from Fanola. It is my favorite one because it is so concentrated with that purple dye you need for your hair to stay silver. I really like this because with just like one wash or 1 to 2 wash, you really get that silver tone in your hair. So today I shampooed my hair twice, once with the Angel shampoo, and then second I used this vanilla shampoo. And this really helps my hair to really turn into that beautiful gray tone that I really love. If you have a lot of brassiness in your hair, then you would need purple shampoo to just remove that yellow. So I kind of use this like once a week, or maybe when I really need it, twice a week, because this is a very drying shampoo. You don't want something this drying to be applied to your hair every time you shampoo it. So just keep that in mind. Use this once a week or twice a week if you really need it. But personally, I use it once a week, and it keeps my hair generally ashy. But if you really want your hair to look gray all around and look extra perfect, you can shampoo your hair with a lot of this, leave it on as like a mask for 30 minutes, put in like a shower cap, do your thing, and then go back in the shower and rinse it off. Then you have a much more perfect layer of gray hair. That makes sense. So after all that shampoo business, I'm gonna go straight ahead into my conditioner. This is by Pantene. This is their 3-minute Miracle Total Damage Care, one in gold and purple. So actually, I found out about this product from my friend Agnes. If you know her, it's Evelyn Agnes on Instagram and also on YouTube, so check her out. This is something that could really help your hair. If you have really coarse hair like I do, this could really help smooth all that, coarseness out. I've been using this for the past few months, and I could safely say that I really enjoy it, just because upon application I could really feel my hair becoming much more smoother. I totally stand a product that could really help my hair manageable, because my hair is a lot of things, but one thing that it's not, it's manageable. Definitely not manageable at all. Very high maintenance and all that shit up above. But this thing helps it. Okay, so we're done with all that shower business. We're gonna go straight into aftercare. I only have one specific aftercare, and it's this Holy Grail product. Oh my god, I cannot live without this. This is the Milbon Repair Restorative Blowout Primer, specifically for coarse hair. It repairs for easy styling, increases manageability and smoothness, and it is extremely lightweight. And on top of all that, it also has heat protection. So my hair is currently damp. It's not dry, it's not wet, it's like right in the middle. What I usually do is I just grab about 4 pumps of this. So 2 pumps first, like so. It is a very like lotiony texture. It is not an oil. It's kind of like a lotion for your hair. So rub it in between your hands like this. You know, just brush it through your hair. Make sure that everything is applied very well. And I'll just grab another pump, and I am going to focus this product on the ends of my hair. This is where it's most damaged because this is where the bleach, you know, accumulated over the years. This part needs love and attention more than anywhere else on my head. Last but not least, I'm gonna do another pump. And this is just for an all-round finishing touch. I apply a lot of this product onto my hair because I know that it really helps it. I really feel that it really helps all the nutrients come back into the damaged spots, especially my ends. Okay, so we're done with discussing all the products that goes into maintaining my hair in the shower and then after shower, and all of that is done. People tend to think that products would just be the end of it, but no, your tools matter too. And by tools, I mean hair dryers, your straighteners, your curlers. They make a big impact on what your hair is going to look like and how it's going to feel like and how damaged it is in the future. So you really do need to choose your tools wisely. I have to admit, I only received these products a week ago, but my hair salon, Alwi Salon, they always use this on my hair. And I go there like once every week or twice every week to do my hair treatments, and they always use this on me. And I could really tell the difference by using the curlers and the hair dryers that they used, apart from what I was using at home. And now I got the same products as my hair salon. I wouldn't say I'm obsessed, but I'm kinda obsessed with it. But I don't know, you have to judge it for yourselves because I'm just gonna show you the product right away so you can see it for yourselves. I'm super happy that Tescom just decided out of the blue to DM me and ask me to try out their products. And because I'm a true believer of these 2 products specifically, I obviously said yes, and I wanted to do this video to show you how I really care for my hair from the start to finish, and how these 2 hair tools really make a big impact on my hair care. The first thing that I have is this beautiful hair dryer. This is definitely not your ordinary hair dryer. It's not a normal hair dryer. It has collagen in it, so there's a plate here that you can change after 2 years. See, inside here, that is basically the collagen. So this is how I dry my hair specifically. I start with scalp mode, and I'm gonna go into number 2. I'm really gonna start from the top of my hair to the bottom of my hair. So this is like 90% done. It's not 100% dry. It's still a tiny bit damp. My hair is really thin on the bottom, but on the top part of my head is really thick. So for it to be dried in about 3 to 5 minutes, that's already a lifesaver. It's a game changer because it usually takes me about 10 minutes to dry my hair with a normal dryer. And this dries my hair perfectly fast and also makes it look very healthy. As you can see, because of the collagen and the ions in the hair dryer, it is so smooth. I mean, oh my god, I feel like I'm in a hair commercial. I just can't explain to you just how healthy it looks right now. Just from that one part. Just from one part. I'm gonna go back in with the dryer. I'm gonna go into the cool setting. And also, number 1, that's the cool setting. So this cool function really helps to lock in that moisture in your hair so that when you go into the next step, which is hairstyling, it is gonna look really dreamy and beautiful and soft and buttery. Do my face too. So you can see just how stunning my hair looks just from a hairdryer. I can just stop here. I don't have to do any hair straightening. I don't even have to do anything. But I'm gonna show you the whole full spectrum of things, y'all. Okay, that's too much. I did too much, I'm sorry. Gonna go straight into the straightener and the curler. Okay, that sound just means that it's like temperature locked. If you mistakenly press it, you won't change the temperature of this. You can basically change this into 2 parts, which is a straightening iron, like so. Or you can press that part and change it into a curler, like so. I don't usually straighten my hair because I don't like my hair looking straight, so I'm gonna curl it today. I'm gonna show you how quick it is to curl your hair with this particular curler. Bam. So this is how I curl my hair. I drag that piece down, circle it up, warm it up for a hot minute there, let go a bit of it part, then everything comes into a full motion. Look at that. Wow, beautiful. Like honestly, that is so quick. I've already done a quarter of my hair. Just gonna put that aside for a bit. I'm gonna continue on to these bottom parts. For the bottom areas, I don't really like to really dwell on it too long. I usually just do it like really quickly, because it's not really gonna be seen anyway. It's in the inner parts of your hair, but you do still need that curl so that it looks defined on the outside. So, you know, just do it fast, make sure it's formed like so, and that's it. So just like that, I've done half of my head in no time at all. I mean, seriously. Oh my god, I can't even explain to you how beautiful the texture is. It is so soft, it doesn't even feel damaged at all. Not a single part feels dry or damaged or anything like that. It just feels like complete silk, and I do not exaggerate. Done. I think I did that in about 10 minutes, tops 15. Okay, so I'm done with the curling iron. It only took me about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna find a timestamp and I'm gonna put it somewhere down there so you can know the exact time. So that's just how I usually style my hair. It's very easy, and for long haired girls like you out there, you can totally do this in under 15 minutes because this is like a really nice tool. It heats up fast, but it doesn't damage your hair. You can control the temperature of it just right here, and it's really practical. All right, moving on. This is the last step. I promise you, I know it's taking so long. This is honestly my favorite to really maintain my curl throughout the day and probably throughout the 3 days. I can just spray this wherever I go, so I can put this in my purse and like on the go, spraying it out whenever I need a little oomph to my hair. What I do with freshly curled hair is I just spray it like so. Oh, it smells so pretty. It smells so divine. And one thing that I also like to do is I just put my hair down and I spray it all around. I don't really like those really like circly curls, if you know what I mean. I like it to be like very messy and just like sort of like a bed hair kind of do. So I like to just like do this. Mess the curls up a bit, breaking out all the curls. See what I mean? It's not as defined as a curl, it's much more of a wave, and that's just how I like my hair. So yeah, I guess that's my hair tips and tricks, how I style them, how I treat them, and what's really important in a hair treatment, I feel like. But yeah, I really hope that it helped you guys in a way, and it really motivates you to get gray hair as well. I know that having gray hair is very high maintenance, but once you get the hang of it and once you get used to it, you really don't feel it as being high maintenance. You just really need to take your time to care for your hair, and that's really important. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, if you like this video, click that like button, subscribe button, also comment anything you want down below, and I'll be happy to reply it on my next video. So yes, I hope you enjoy this video so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.